Hello gorgeous, welcome to the channel. Yes, your girl is newly relaxed. Just in case if you did not know, I used to be natural. Now I'm back relaxed again for the second time. If you have not watched that video, please make sure you go ahead and watch it. It will be either up here or in the description box. But today I just want to go over some beginner-friendly essential products that you will need when you start off on your relaxer journey. Now, just keep in mind that when you are coming from natural to relax, a lot of the products that you need is already in that relaxer kit, because I don't have to go and buy so many products at one time. Well, I still ended up having to buy a lot of products because there was a lot of things that I just either threw away, I just stopped using, and it just got old. I did end up spending around $60 something just so I can start off my relaxer journey. So I'm going to go over some of those products, and then I'm also going to go over some extra products that you may already have in stock. If not, then you may have to go out and buy it. But remember, take your time. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money at once unless you want to, but I am planning on using some of my natural hair shampoos and conditioners because those are moisturizing and they are also hydrating. So why not just go ahead and continue to use those until I transition to like maybe a cream of nature or an olive oil, whichever type of relaxer shampoo that I may want to add to my collection. A lot of these are not going to be in order. We're just going to flow with me, okay? You may not need this right away. This is the G. This is the Balancing Moisturizer. And I have the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Now these are like for a protein base. Now you may not need this right away, but it is good to have it, especially when you're coming from natural to relax. You just altered your hair pattern and you just added chemicals to your hair. So it's a super moisturizing daily styling lotion. This is by ORS olive oil. To me, ORS olive oil, they're inexpensive and their products smell good, and they've been out for a very long time. Now, I used to love Dudley hair products, in which I don't see those a lot in the stores anymore. Maybe they just stopped making it, but a lot of the older products from back in the 90s and early 2000s, I wish that they would bring it back. But because for right now, we're just going to go with olive oil and whatever that they have on the shelf, like Cream of Nature is a staple that every female, every woman who has been relaxed, they know about this hair product. This is Nairobi, okay? This is the Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. Nairobi is the absolute best. It feels good when you put it on your hair, and when you go to wrap your hair, it just flows. It's not like watery base like how those other products are, the wrap lotions, where it's just water. As soon as you put it on, it doesn't even foam up. It doesn't even sit on your hair. It just immediately sinks into your hair strands, and then it's like, where did my foam lotion go? This is why I like it. It is a little bit expensive. I think I paid around $11 for it, but trust me, you will love it. And I'm starting to learn more that when you pay a little bit more on your hair products, the product be worth it. I'm telling you, it is extremely worth it. Next one the next one that I picked up was the Cantu Shea Butter Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning Mist. Instantly hydrates, shines, and repairs smooth flyaways. Always have you a good leave-in conditioner, especially after you shampoo, condition, add more conditioning back into your hair. I never used this before. I didn't use this when I was natural. So I decided why not just go ahead and try it. Cantu product that I bought was the Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. Now this is for like when you are blow drying your hair or you are flat ironing or curling your hair. So basically anytime you are adding heat, hence the word thermal, you want to make sure you have some type of protectant. Now, I'm not really keen about getting hair protectant spray, because to me, every time I would purchase a hair protectant spray and then flat iron my hair is hard. So I think you have to look at the alcohol and see how much is in there. I forgot the content creator who talked about, you know, the different type of hair protecting sprays and making sure that you are, you know, basically looking at the amount of alcohols that is put in there. So being that alcohol is the second ingredient, is probably a high amount of alcohol in here. So with that being said, this is probably what makes your hair a little bit hard when you style your hair. I think it does, because the other day I used this and my ends were a little hard. Hence the reason why my hair is flat today, because I decided to not put any heat on my hair. After 2 days of putting heat in my head, I was like, nope, I'm not doing it again. You will need to get is a wax stick. Did I pick up the wrong thing? Using a wax will help just keep it in place. That's basically what the wax stick is for. I love, and this is an oldie but goodie. Honey, this is the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. I used to use this back in the 90s. I would curl my hair with this. I would grease my hair with this. I even grease my hair. I grease my scalp before I put the relaxer in. Thing you would want to use is a Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath. Well, this is for a bath and body. I put this on my hair strands before I put the relaxer in because I didn't have any more hair oils. So I had to use what I already had in the house. Now this oil has jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera. Use this. I put this on my hair strands before I put the relaxer in as an extra protectant against the chemicals. Another thing that you will need, and I just recently bought, was some processing caps. I didn't realize I already had caps. I already had these caps, so I used a Walmart plastic bag for nothing. I did end up buying more today. More caps. I got this from Walmart. So this is by Red. So this is Red by Kiss. I bought this a few years ago when I went from natural to relaxed. One thing I wish I would have known before I bought this, because there's nothing wrong with the pencil flat iron itself. It's only one button. So meaning that when I turn this on, the heat automatically goes up to 450. There's no in between, there's no low heat, no nothing, no dials, so that I can control the temperature. And when I first used this, and I have a video of it, when I first used this, child, my room was smoking. It was smoking, my ends were hard, and I did not like the way how my hair felt after I used this product. After I used this flat iron. Some little curling irons. I had to go in my daughter's room and look to see if I had any older curling irons with different sizes. I have my flat iron right here, and this one is by temperature. I can actually go up or down. The highest it goes, I think, is to 450 or 480, but my hair is not long enough to use this right now. Flat iron by Wavy Talk. This is the pencil flat iron. So it goes 450, 410, 380, 340, and 300. Perfect. Okay. Give you a good little wide tooth comb so that you can easily comb through your hair strands. This comb here, I like it because it has the little, you can like easily I like this type of comb because it's easy to part. I don't like to use these type of combs like to comb my hair because look, there's not enough space, and I feel like these type of combs will easily pull your hair, especially in the beginning. That's something that I don't want to happen. So I basically will use this like if I want to create like a little bit of wave. But as far as like combing my hair, I will not use this. I would use this type of comb because you want the combs to have some space in between so you're not pulling on your hair strands. And you got to think about it, when you first relax your hair is a little bit weak, so you need to make sure that you are building some type of strength back into your hair strands. I do have a hooded dryer. Okay, now this one I think I only used but one time, but I don't remember ever recording it, so I'm going to use this when I do a deep condition. So make sure next Friday or Saturday is when I'm going to post the video of me using my hooded dryer. Another thing that you will need is a satin scarf or a satin cap to put on your head to protect your hair when you're going to sleep. All right, so you don't want to use cotton, because cotton, what it does is it soaks up all your moisture that is in your hair. So all of your good oils and moisturizers that you put in your head, if you sleep on your cotton pillowcase, all it's going to do is soak it out. Got to add this in the collection, but this is something that I already had when I was natural, and this is the Mesa or Makeup Power. I got this off of a TikTok. That's where I bought it. I got the idea, I was inspired from TikTok, but I bought it off of Amazon. And I paid around $30 something for this product. So that's what I'm saying, girl. You may have to spend a little extra coins, and I'm glad I brought this out, because now I know I don't need to buy any more conditions. Tomorrow I will be using the Wavy Talk pencil flat iron, so look for that review between tomorrow or Monday. I'll put that video out just to give a review on the product and see if it really stands out compared to the Red by Kiss. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll check you out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.